Alright, try not to laugh. Here we go. These guys are actually funny. Eesh. Oh, that's a good blow dryer technique. Doesn't seem very efficient, but it'll work. The monkey's like, bruh. What's this thing gonna do? I'm sure it's gonna squirt. Oh, it broke. What's going on here? Some guy tripping. The tripping people doesn't make me laugh. Where's the horse harness?
Why isn't it going?
What's happening here?
Oh my god! Oh my!
The cat.
Move!
Move! Oh my god. That guy's laughing. Oh man, my mom would not be happy. What are you doing? Not. Fail. Failing. That's funny. That was stupid. He must have been sleeping. Zorro. The bearings or something's messed up there for sure.